who was it who said, you're not a true van lifer unless you clean in a waterfall?
Hi, we're Callum and Tash and Rosie, and we quit our 9 to 5s to live and travel full-time in our DIY van conversion. Follow our life on the road and subscribe to our van life travel channel.
Alright, so this was our glorious park up from last night, here just in Dumfries. So yeah, this right here is the River Nith. This is the start of a month-long trip around Scotland in our van, and it's the first time we visited this part of the UK. We last left you in Wales, and now we've made the 350-mile journey north to Galloway Forest. So we've made our way to the visitor centre, and as you can see, there's only 3 cars in the entire car park. We're just going for a little walk because we haven't used our legs all day.
No, it's a need.
We're just looking at our steps on our phone, and for like the past 4 days, we've only done like 2,000 just over steps each day, which is abysmal. So we're making sure we're doing this walk today too. Now we're finally here to get our 10,000 in. This is both of our first ever locks, as tiny as it is. It's pretty much just a pond, isn't it? But this is Little Brontis, apparently. Go on then. You can let Rose out off the lead for a bit. It's just like one big car park, but it's nice. It's all, you know, out on the sticks and that, so she's not going to go too far. See, she's very good off the lead. So if I was to go over here, for example, she just follows. She does do her own thing. But if I say, Rosie, this way, come on. See? How good is that?
Hello, darling. You're such a good girl. Hey.
I'll pop it. Oh.
Oh my gosh, she's so happy.
So we're in the middle of Galloway Forest, and we're both just stinking hippies right now, aren't we? And we embrace it, and we're gonna go clean in the waterfall.
Oh God, which I'm dreading. I'm cold already.
Yeah, I'm not, you're in your bikini, I'm just gonna, just get undressed, but it is very, very cold. It's like the beginning of October. You can't see my breath just yet, but it's there. But
it's a need.
Would you agree that you're not a true van lifer until you've had a shower in a river, a stream or a waterfall?
Yeah, I guess so. We don't have those luxuries in our van.
No, so in the freezing cold water we go. Very refreshing. Absolutely freezing. But yeah, we're both just rubbing ourselves down with flannels and it's absolutely fine. We're not using any like shampoo or, you know, body wash or anything like that. But just getting our hair wet. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the van and put the heater on so she doesn't catch hypothermia.
Nice and warm in here.